How to add your AWS account using the automatic setup. When you log into your nOps account, a pop-up screen will appear. First, you will want to subscribe to nOps through the Marketplace. By clicking Start nOps Trial on the AWS Marketplace, click Subscribe. Go back to nOps and refresh your screen if it does not take you to the Getting Started page. On the Getting Started page, click Yes, I have access. Now let's link your AWS account. Select nOps Wizard Setup. Click Next. For the AWS account name, add a familiar name to easily recognize the AWS account in nOps. And for the S3 bucket name, you can use an existing S3 bucket, or we can create a new one on your behalf. Click Setup Account. This will redirect you to AWS. Sign in with either the root account or an admin account that has permission to create a CloudFormation. On the Create Stack page, scroll to the bottom and check the I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources. Then click Create. nOps will start ingesting data in 2 to 4 hours from your CloudTrail logs. Cost data can take up to 24 hours. You can check the status of the data ingestion by going to the top right. In the drop-down, select Organization Settings. Click AWS Accounts. Find the master account. It should appear at the top of the screen. If there is an issue, click Check Connectivity to see why it has failed. nOps will also pull in all child accounts associated with the master account. To include child accounts in nOps, you will need to create a CloudFormation to read data and cost.